Welcome to my YouTube channel, to the episode 4 of this StrategyQuant Strategies Creation Free course. Today we are gonna create our first strategy, and in this case I choose the outcut in H4 configuration. This outcut is considered like a commodity forex because it's very correlated to gold and oil gas, because Australia exports iron and gold and Canada exports oil. So outcut moves when those commodities prices diverge. What will be today? We are gonna configure in the builder. We are gonna check the building blocks, what to choose in each of them. We are gonna set the ranking for as a first quality gate, this ranking, and we are gonna see live how this build. So let's begin. For the building blocks indicators, I explained the reason why I'm choosing each of them. So if you go here to building blocks, you will see that I select these indicators, ADX, ATR, Bollinger Bands, all of them here. I don't like to choose these signals, this part. I always leave it as 0 because these signals are very rigid. Those are predefined conditions. Those are set up by the StrategyQuant team. I don't use it. Personally, I don't like it. I don't like using either for Forex volumes indicators. So only these ones, you can see here, the ones that I choose. Then as a second step, which order types? In this case, I'm picking up a limit, right? Why limit? In my private course, I show you when to choose sell or buy limits. I have a strategy to find when. And in here, in this case, I know that outcut is very good for selling, so I choose shorts. In this case, enter a limit and shorts. I don't like market because this consumes a lot of spread, so I always try to avoid strategies at enter at market. I always choose enter at limit or enter at stop. One more thing in building blocks, you need to select prices. In prices, as I'm selecting sell limit, I like to choose the highest close, daily high, open, and daily close, right? I try to avoid this. In stop limit and entry prices, I like to choose daily highs, right, and average through range. I don't like using exit rule. I like choosing as required exit bars, profit target, yes, as required profit target or stop loss, trailing stop, and break even as not mandatory, right, not required. And in here, in what to build, you need to select a stop loss required. It's ATR based. These are my configuration. The same for profit target, right? And in this case, we are going to use genetic evolution to take advantage of this configuration. As a first quality gate, then we wanna, in the next episode, we are gonna do some retesting. But as a first quality gate, I like to choose net profit out of sample greater than 0, number of trades greater in sample greater than 200. Less is not very representative. The winning percentage 30%, return drawdown 4%, stagnation as is a forex pair with less than 800 is okay, and profit factor 1.3. I put this as notes here. What we are not doing yet, right? Before explaining that, I'm gonna click on start. So we are waiting for this. So what not to do, right? What we are not doing here yet, right? We are not running robustness test. This is for the next episode. We are not optimizing parameter yet, and we are not putting any strategy life. What we are doing here, we are like catching as many fishes that and then in our robustness pipeline, we are gonna keep the best ones, right? But that's for the next episode. You see here, we have 9, 10, 11, 12 strategies. I'm gonna stop this. Normally, if you see my configuration in ranking, I set as 1000, right? When it's 1000, this is stop. But in this case, I'm gonna stop because we don't have so much time. I stop it, I go here, and in the next episode, we are gonna copy this and paste it in this retester. But for now, you can see that we have some nice strategies. You see here, ATR. The next episode, we are gonna see which one we select, right? And key takeaways. Use the genetic algorithm of StrategyQuant to create better and strategies and in a faster way. For outcut, don't use volume indicators, use stop and limit entries. For the money management, this is something I didn't speak well. Here I put percentage account, but I do like fixed size, right? Then I'm gonna show you in my private course how to calculate this to have always a number that is correct for your account. But in this case, we put an account of 5,000. Ranking filters is your first quality gate, as I mentioned. This is your first quality gate. And if you want to know which tests I used for creating my own strategies, click on the link on the description. It's a free PDF that will arrive to your email. And if you like the video, please subscribe. It's very important for me. And thank you very much for listening to me. I see you in the next episode to understand how to filter those data bank.